Hi, I'm Dr. Behnam, board certified dermatologist based in West Los Angeles. I've worked for the past 20 years with top professionals, celebrities, and everyday guys just like you restoring their hair and confidence. I've simplified the Hamilton-Norwood scale into 5 simple stages. And today we're going to be talking about the 5th and final stage, the post-transplant stage. Congratulations! You just got a hair transplant. You put a lot of money in it, so you want to keep your investment. It's just like having a very expensive sports car. You want to put the highest octane fuel in it. Similarly, your hair transplant, you want to use the best prescription products to keep your investment and maintain it. So let's talk about the post-transplant care. It's very important to follow your surgeon's instructions. Don't touch your hair, do not be in direct sunlight, and use very gentle products on your scalp. At Happy Head, we also have products that will help maintain your new hair. We have the Happy Head Vitamin that contains vitamin A, D, zinc, collagen, and keratin for promoting new hair growth. We also have the Happy Head shampoo and conditioner, which are very gentle on your new hair. We also have the Happy Head prescription customizable solution that can contain finasteride or dutasteride, minoxidil, and retinoic acid. Please make sure to use this only a month and a half after your hair transplant procedure. And we have the Happy Head Super Capsule that can contain finasteride, dutasteride, or minoxidil. All of these combined together will help protect your existing hair and help maintain your new hair that's growing out. With the right care and support, you can maintain your hair for a long period of time. At Happy Head, we provide customizable, personalized solution just for you. If you're ready to take the next step in your hair restoration journey, or want to talk about your post-hair transplant care, visit happyhead.com. Your hair happiness starts right here.